So this idea of being a book author, I mean, think about anybody, Adam, that you and I both know, or any expert that we watch, or any guru, or anybody that we hold in high esteem. Chances are they are a published author, okay? The reason being is because, most people who have something important to say want to write a book, and they realize the power of a book. I started realizing that most people don't even finish. You said, you don't even look at a book, it's just up on your bookshelf. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't even, finish a book. And I always thought that was kind of a shame. Like, if I have something I want to share with you and it's important for you, why wouldn't I want you to read it all? But unfortunately, a lot of business books especially are just, I call them, they're books with bloat, B-A-L-O-A-T. They're bloated books unnecessarily. Why does a book have to be 250 pages for a business book? So I came up with the concept of the short, helpful book. I call them shooks.
That's right.
So it's a short, helpful book. And it's a book, Adam, that's designed to be read in about an hour.